Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we will make this beautiful maple tree painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. I have given all the art material link in the description. In the first step we will make the sky. So here I have selected the color cobalt blue and I am going to mix the color white. So we are going to use this color for our sky. Here I am using my flat brush number 6 and I am going to apply the color on the top of the canvas. Now I am going to mix more white to this cobalt blue and we are getting this light shade of cobalt blue and I am going to mix the color here. So we have to blend the color smoothly. So here I am going upwards to mix the colors. When we are painting near to the horizon, we need to add more white to this blue. So here I am adding more white so we get this light shade of blue. Once we finish the sky, now let's paint the meadow in the second step. To paint the meadow, we have this color yellow and green. Here I mix these two colors to get a light shade of green and I am going to apply the color here for the meadow. In this painting we really need a very vibrant and fresh color, so I am mixing the colors yellow and green to give the painting very vibrant and fresh look, and I am going to add some more colors on the top of this. So here I take the color yellow ochre and I mix the color green, yellow and yellow ochre together and I am going to apply the color here. This tutorial video is specially designed for beginners, so I made every step as easy as possible. And now we are painting the grass. So in this way you can paint grass in a simple way. So here I am using only the bristles of my flat brush to paint the grass in the distance. So once we finish this, now let's move to the third step. So in the third step we are going to paint the tree. So let's begin with the branch. To paint the branch, I have chosen the color burnt sienna and raw amber. So I am going to use these two colors to paint the branch. So let's begin with the trunk. So I am using my round brush to paint the trunk. So this is really easy to paint the trunk using your round brush. So first we need to apply the color raw sienna. So I just take the color and I am going to paint some branches here. If you think it is not very easy for you to paint the trunk and branches, so in this way you can practice another method. Just to take your pencil and start draw all the branches by seeing your reference. So once you finish all the branches using your pencil, now take your brush and paint over this. So this way you can easily achieve the desired result. Now I take the color raw amber and I am going to mix the color raw sienna with it, so we get this dark shade of color. So we are going to use the color where we see the shadow part of the tree. So here I am using the color where I find the shadow parts in the reference. So I am using my detailing brush. As we all know, we have some tiny parts, tiny branches in our painting. That's why I am using my detailing brush to paint the tiny parts. And once you finish adding this, we can add more layer to make our tree painting more realistic and look good. It's time to paint the leaves in the trees. So here I have selected the color brilliant red. Here I'm using my old brush, so you can use any round brush you have. So first we are going to block the colors. So here you can see I just take some colors and I'm going to block the colors like this. So in this tree painting we are going to add more layers. So this is the first layer. So in the first layer we are going to block the colors in the shape of the tree. So you can use any flat brush or round brush you have. Now I take my detailing brush and I am going to add some random dots and patterns in the edges of the tree. So here you can see, here I am trying to create the effect of tree foliage. So it is really simple. Take your detailing brush and add some little strokes and random dots to create the leaf foliage effect. If you are new to my channel, I want to tell you one thing. I always paint from the suggestion of my followers. So this time I received a beautiful suggestion to paint the maple tree. I decided to paint this simple video for beginners. So if you find this tutorial really helpful for you, then please let me know in the comment section. Now let's paint the shadow part of the tree. So here I have selected the color blue and I'm going to mix the color blue with our brilliant red. So in this way we get the really dark shade of red. So here I'm going to apply the color for the dark shade of the leaves. Tree painting is really an easy one. All we need to do is we have to create more layers to create a depth in our tree painting. So first we start with the base and second we apply the shadow. So once we finish apply the shadow part, we can add more layers on the top of it. So in this way we can create more depth in our tree painting. So here I just split the end of my flat brush and I'm going to take the color yellow and orange. I just blend the colors to get a yellow-orange color. So I am going to tap my brush like this to create the leaf foliage effect. So to create this leaf foliage effect, you have to follow only a simple trick, that is you have to take your dry brush. So you have to select your flat brush that must be really dry and just split the end of your brush, and you can create the leaf foliage effect just by taking the colors and tapping the colors on your canvas. So this is a very easy and efficient way to paint a tree with more depth. So this is the third layer we are applying. So we are going to apply fourth and fifth layer over this. So we have to be really patient because we have to apply the color once the previous layer is completely dry. Top of this orange layer I am going to add the yellow layer. So here I take the color yellow and I am going to do the same thing again over this orange layer. In the fifth layer, I mix the color yellow with white, so we get this light shade of yellow. So I am going to apply the color on the top of all the layers. So this is the final layer we are adding in our tree painting. In the final touch of the tree painting, I am adding some details of the branches. So here I take my detailing brush, I am painting some little branches here and there to make this painting a complete finished look. If you want to learn any specific subject from the landscape painting, then you can leave that in the comment section so I can give a tutorial video on that topic. Now let's add some details on the branches and trunk. So here I selected the color yellow ochre. I mix the color yellow ochre with our raw amber and raw sienna, and I mix the colors together and I add a little white, and I'm going to add this color here. So we are going to add some little strokes in this area to create the texture of the trunk. Now I am painting the shadow part of this tree. To create the color of this shadow, I have mixed the color green with blue. Here I am painting some little strokes randomly to create the effect of the leaves of this tree. So first I have selected the color red. So once I finish painting the color red, I am going to take the color orange and I am going to apply the color here and there. Then we can apply some color like yellow and we can feel the finish of this painting. In the fourth step, we are going to paint the chair. So first we can take the color black and I am going to paint some straight lines here. So painting the chair is really easy. I just selected an image from Pinterest and just use that image for the chair in this painting. And you can just draw some 4 lines like this. So I have selected the color black. So you can also select any colors like brown shade and that also works. If you are watching this tutorial video so far, then you might also like my other paintings, so you can check my playlist. I have given the link of all the playlist in my description. You can check my description to watch my other painting videos. So now let's see the final look of our painting. So this is the final look of our painting. I really like this maple painting. And if you really like this painting tutorial, then please leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.